Hey, this is Matt. So, looking at the spreadsheet, we're going to be talking about HLookup. So, this is the, it's kind of like VLOOKUP, but instead of pulling the information from a specific cell, we're going to be looking at reference points. So, we've got our setup of amounts and percentages. What this is I have taken the base and basically added these percentages to this base. And this goes all the way down, all the way over to AB to 101%. So, looking at this, how do we calculate using HLookup to find criteria that actually meets what we're actually trying to find? So, the criteria is what we're searching for, and the return percentage is what this is actually closest to without going under. So we don't go over that, but if this, just like with this one, we've got HLookup C7 be through 3AB, and we've given it approximate because this is not, this using true or false for our Boolean, this is not an exact number that's represented here. So because it's not an exact number, we cannot say false, or we will get a not available. So we use approximate to calculate this. Then from here, because this, our initial value here is actually more than what we're searching for, it will return not available. However, if we take this and we drag it down, we can see that it returns because this is over this initial 1%, but it's under our 5%. And we can take this, let's continue on all 27 possibilities all the way down to 204. So from here, let's take it and let's just drag that handle all the way down using, this is using an absolute cell reference to autofill all the way down. But we can see how with each and every one of these, let's see, so 124,000 is more than 121,000 at 21%. However, it's less than the 25,000. Well, sorry, 25%. So what this is using is this is giving you a way to quickly make a reference to try to find something a lot quicker, to try to find that amount or numeric value a lot faster, as opposed to dealing with, say, VLOOKUP and specifying on your basic table, which we can look at a VLOOKUP here in just a moment. But using HLookup, this will specify a reference point. So to begin with this, let's say we want to look up, try to find the closest point without going over 108,000. So we're going to go down here to F21 equals HLookup, open parentheses. We're going to reference this cell because we've already got it typed out, so C9. We can also go ahead and we could type 108,000. We could do that, but since we already have it written and it's already there, we are going to just go ahead and just reference that cell. So C9, we're going to look through our table array. So we're looking through B2. Well, from B2 through AB3. Then from there, we're looking, what do we want to pull? Do we want to pull the amount, or do we want to pull percentage? Well, I would personally like to pull percentage, so let's do that. So we have 2, because looking at our table array, the very top, we're doing a row reference, so 2 is going to be your first column index, row index, and 3 will be your second, so that we're going to look up 2. And then we don't have the exact amount of 108,000. We have 109,000 and we have 105,000. We do not have exactly 108,000. So if we were to put false, it's going to return not available, because we don't have anything to exactly match 108,000. However, we do have something close. If we're just trying to find some sort of a approximation, then 0.05 or 5%, which is right here, will give you the closest number without going over to your, let's see, we pulled from C9, which is 108,000. So I really hope you've enjoyed this little bit of a preview of HLookup. If you have any questions, please just shoot me an email and we can go over that. Or just leave a comment and I will every so often glance back and look at those. But I really hope you've enjoyed it. So please just let me know. Thank you very much.